Are you looking for an easy way to have multiple users and sub-accounts under the same master account, but with different user permissions? This extension lets you create multiple user profiles within one Magento account with unique permissions for each sub-account, including read-only, modify account information, order creation with approval, admin level, and more. Permissions can be set, so sub-users can add items to a cart, but are required to send the cart for approval to complete the purchase. Sub-accounts can be nested within one another, so a sub-account can manage another sub-account. Restrict maximum order amount per order, day, or month. If the maximum amount is reached, the order must be approved by the master account. Restrict order viewing to only their own sub-account, or allow users to see all orders. This extension is a perfect solution to delegate store tasks and create an order management workflow between store owners and employees. CreativeMinds. We code, you create.